Hey y'all, I'm Nicole. Welcome to Hill House Diaries. Today I'm going to show you how I turned our farmhouse nightstands or end tables into a little bit more of a modern feel to go with our new bedroom. I used a little bit of paint, a little bit of plywood, and some new hardware.
So let's take a look at what they looked like before. They're not bad, but the X's aren't quite my style anymore. To close in the sides, I started with a 2-foot by 4-foot sheet of sanded oak plywood, which you can get at Lowe's for right around $20. I used my table saw to cut it down so that it would fit perfectly in the sides and the back of the nightstand. It's rare that I get it right on the first try, but this was a perfect fit. Once I had all the pieces cut and dry fit, I used my brad nailer with 1/2-inch nails and made sure to secure it to the X's on the sides and the top and the bottom. So that took a whole, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. But you can see I still have the X's on it, but they're on the inside, and once it's all painted black, you don't even see them. So it just works out really perfectly. Now on to caulk. Make sure that if this is a project you are planning to paint, that you use paintable caulk. I've made that mistake before and it is not fun. I typically use my finger and or a baby wipe to smooth it out and really give it that seamless finish. Next up, I used my Graco TC Pro paint sprayer, which I absolutely love and I will link in the description for you, and Tricorn Black paint by Sherwin-Williams to cover the whole outside. I did have to do 2 coats.
I added some nice brass hardware to it to really complete the look, and there you have it. So for a very low cost, I totally transformed these. Make sure you hit subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you next time.